Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to be rating the top 3 best mechanical keyboards that is affordable for you guys. So if you guys do enjoy the video, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the weekly banger videos that I do on the channel. And by that being said, let's get into the video.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Okay guys, so first of all, we're going to start off with the Red Dragon Kumara keyboard. This is a white keyboard, as you guys can see. It looks pretty insane. It has mechanical switches. I think this is a brown mechanical switch, not the blue. But this is pretty cool, guys, for beginners. This is only 1,000 rand. Um, I'm I'm stating keyboards here what is 1,000 and below, because that is for beginners that want to start out. So yeah, that is the first keyboard. It is pretty cool. It has brown or blue switches, which is mechanical, and the keycaps, it is pretty nice and smooth as well. So as you guys can see, the keycaps, it is pretty nice and smooth. But yeah, let's get into the second keyboard. Yeah, so this keyboard is a beast. It is actually a Dagger, what I'm using right now. This side looks mechanical, cherry MX blue switches, which is pretty cool. It is running at 430 rand. This used to be 1,000 rand last year, probably came down. But as you guys can see, this is a keyboard what I recommend you guys getting, because I personally use it and it's cool. It sounds great. That's cool features as well. As you guys can see, you can change the color mode. This is pink. You can change it. You can change the style as well to yellow. That as you guys can see now, it's RGB, so you can change it to fit your color theme, which is pretty cool. And the first keyboard what I recommend is this one. The Red Dragon K53, if you say that. This is 60%. This is pretty cool. It's an RGB keyboard, mechanical. This has cherry MX blue or red switches. I'm not sure. But yeah, as you guys can see the pictures, it's 60%, which is pretty cool. If you like small keyboards, that is perfect for you. So this is running at, as you guys can see here, there's on and off switches for like different PC modes and stuff if you're gonna play on PC. And this is running at 1,199 rand, basically rounded off to 1,200 rand. This is not that expensive for a beginner mechanical. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.